The moon is tidally locked to the earth. Night after night, the same face of the moon is visible from Earth. This means that only 50% of the moon is visible from Earth, right? Not right. In total, 59% of the moon is visible from Earth over time. How is this possible? The phenomenon is called lunar libration. There are 3 types of lunar libration. They are longitudinal, latitudinal, and diurnal. First is longitudinal lunar libration. Longitudinal libration is the slight rotation of the moon sideways. Why does this happen though? It is because of the moon's elongated orbit. The moon's orbit isn't a perfect circle. It is an off-centered oval called an ellipse. The moon's rotation does perfectly match the amount of time it takes to orbit once, but with the elliptical orbit, the moon moves faster when it is closer to Earth and slower when it is further away. With this effect, the mostly constant rotation of the moon can lag behind or in front of its changing orbital speed. Next is latitudinal lunar libration. Latitudinal libration is the up and down rotation of the moon. Why would the moon rotate up and down? This stems from the fact that the moon rotates on an axis that is 6.7 degrees tilted to the moon's orbit. Imagine you are on the sun, and you watched the Earth over the course of a year. Because of the 23.5 degree tilt of the Earth's axis, you would mostly see the northern hemisphere during the summer months and the southern hemisphere during the winter months. Latitudinal libration is the same thing. On the moon, however, the shift is only by 6.7 degrees, so the effect isn't as extreme. This effect also takes place over the course of a month. Finally is diurnal lunar libration. This libration is different because it happens once a day rather than once a month. Why does it happen once a day? Because of the Earth's rotation. First, when the moon has just risen, you are on one side of the Earth. Then, when the moon is about to set, you are on the other side of the Earth. The effect of this shift in position is that you are peeking around the moon. All in all, these librations are hard to notice without a telescope. When put together, the pictures of the moon look like they're rocking around once a month. Observe.
لا تنسوا الإعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل زر الجرس ليصلكم كل جديد.